The most captivating star in our sky could be one that is both mesmerizing and frightening: Betelgeuse, also known as insect juice. This red supergiant is so vast that if it were placed where the Sun is, its outer reaches would extend all the way to Jupiter's orbit. It's an enormous, unstable star on the brink of exploding. The potential of such massive events, like the terrifying starbursts, could shake the entire universe, both seen and unseen. Researchers, including Brian Cox and other astronomers, believe that Betelgeuse is on the verge of going supernova, but the exact timing remains uncertain. Located on the eastern shoulder of the constellation Orion, Betelgeuse is the second largest star in Orion. Its name comes from this position, representing the shoulder of the hunter. Known for being one of the brightest stars in the night sky, Betelgeuse is also famous for its unusual red color, which has sparked curiosity among scientists for centuries. The star was first studied by the Greek astronomer Timon, who identified it as orange in hue. Over time, astronomers have gained more insight into its peculiar behavior. For example, Betelgeuse is a variable star, meaning its brightness fluctuates over time, and it often dims and brightens unpredictably. In 2019, scientists noticed an anomaly. Betelgeuse became significantly dimmer, dropping in magnitude to about 1.6. This was unusual for a star of its type, prompting immediate investigations. The concerns escalated when it became apparent that Betelgeuse could go supernova at any moment, a possibility confirmed by astronomer Brian Cox, who called it a ticking time bomb. The James Webb Space Telescope, along with other instruments like the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, has provided further evidence of this imminent danger. The size of Betelgeuse, about 10 times the mass of the Sun, makes it a prime candidate for a supernova, as stars of this mass are known to explode when they exhaust their nuclear fuel. Scientists have used various tools to monitor its behavior, including observing strange light waves emanating from the star. These findings have led many to believe that Betelgeuse's days are numbered. One of the most peculiar aspects of Betelgeuse is its periodic dimming, which occurs roughly every 430 days, similar to our Sun's sunspots. However, Betelgeuse has been experiencing a much faster change in brightness, adding to the mystery. In February 2021, it was observed that the star had dimmed to a level not seen before, sparking fears that a supernova could be imminent, potentially within the next 100,000 years. Despite this, Betelgeuse has since brightened significantly, making it the 7th brightest star in the sky. This fluctuation in brightness, combined with its red glow, indicates that Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life as a star. A red giant star like Betelgeuse is cooling down and expanding as it exhausts its nuclear fuel. Its temperature is much lower than the Sun's, around 3,500 Kelvin, compared to the Sun's 5,500 Kelvin, which means it radiates less energy despite its massive size. Brian Cox has suggested that the star's dimming could signal that Betelgeuse is on the verge of a supernova. The behavior of the star has caused increasing alarm among astronomers, prompting many to keep a close watch. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, has provided invaluable data on Betelgeuse's unusual behavior, including detailed images of its recent dimming events. These observations have only deepened the mystery, leaving scientists eager to learn what will happen next. Although Betelgeuse's fate is still uncertain, it remains a focal point of astronomical research, with the possibility of witnessing a stellar explosion that could one day rival the power of a supernova. New research has revealed that the surface mass discharge from Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star, was around 400 billion times more powerful than a typical coronal mass ejection. The James Webb Space Telescope has provided valuable insights, including its ability to observe light waves and frequencies beyond human vision. This has generated significant excitement among scientists about potential discoveries. Recently, astronomers observed dust clouds forming on Betelgeuse's surface, which resemble leaves in space. Despite its strange behavior, scientists continue to monitor the star closely, as they remain uncertain about when it might go supernova. Betelgeuse is believed to be about 10 times the size of the Sun and will continue to shine for at least another decade. However, given the star's unpredictable activity, It is hard to say whether this projection will hold true, especially after its sudden dimming. Currently, experts do not expect Betelgeuse to explode soon, but they remain vigilant. If it does go supernova, it would be the first such event visible to the naked eye since Johannes Kepler observed a similar occurrence in 1604. While scientists hope this won't happen anytime soon, they continue to monitor the star's unusual behavior. Betelgeuse, located in the constellation Orion, is one of the brightest stars in the night sky and can be seen with the naked eye. Known for its distinctive red color, it has long been considered a candidate for a future supernova. This massive star is so large that if placed in the Sun's position, its outer edge would reach the orbit of Jupiter. It has displayed unusual fluctuations in brightness, which have only heightened concerns about its instability. The star's variability, known as being a variable star, means its brightness changes over time. In 2019, Betelgeuse showed an abnormal dimming, dropping to about 1.6 times its usual size. This event led researchers to hypothesize that a supernova could be imminent. After this darkening, Betelgeuse's brightness increased dramatically, becoming 150% brighter than expected and the seventh brightest star in the sky. This unexpected fluctuation in brightness raised new questions about the star's behavior. Several hypotheses have been proposed to explain Betelgeuse's erratic behavior. The Hubble Space Telescope suggested that hot matter expelled from the star might have formed a dust cloud that blocked its light. The Very Large Telescope in Chile proposed that the dimming could be due to a temperature drop on the star's surface, potentially linked to a large temporary dark spot. A combination of both a dark spot and a dust cloud is also considered a possibility. Despite these theories, researchers continue to observe Betelgeuse with advanced tools like the James Webb Space Telescope. Recent findings have confirmed that the star experienced a massive surface mass discharge, much larger than typical coronal mass ejections. The James Webb Telescope has also detected subtle light waves and frequencies, offering deeper insights into Betelgeuse's behavior. While scientists predict that Betelgeuse will remain bright for the foreseeable future, its unpredictable nature keeps them cautious. If it does eventually go supernova, it will mark the first time such an event has been visible to the naked eye since 1604. However, the exact timing of this event remains uncertain, and researchers continue to monitor the situation closely.